In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily lock Instagram app with a password on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first we need to head over to the Play Store. And then we need to search for App Lock. Just like that. That's how we can easily find that app. I prefer to use that one, it is free. You can download that app, or you may try to use another one. To install the app, we need to tap it install, and once it is downloaded, just hit it open. When you start the app for the first time, you need to configure it a bit. On the first step, you need to create 6-digit PIN for the app. Basically, we can tap right here and select for digit PIN. Pattern or not card. Just choose the way you want to use to get access to that app and to all the applications that you want to block. I'm just gonna enter 6-digit PIN and hit save. Then we need to give some permissions for the app. I'm gonna tap right here. Then we need to turn on this toggle next to App Block Pro. Then I'm gonna tap at the next one. We need to turn on this option too. Then permit and then allow. The app is already kind of figured, and here we got 2 lists of applications unlocked and locked. That's how we can easily switch between. As you can see, Instagram app is already locked by default. So now if we try to open up the Instagram app, it will ask us to enter the PIN code. Also in here in settings, we can configure which apps you would like to lock. So let's say if you want to unlock Instagram or you want to unlock another app, we can just head over to lock apps, and then by tapping at this log icon, we can easily move it from locked to unlocked. Also, you can use search to search for some specific app. So that's how we can easily unlock any, and then if we open it up, it won't ask us to enter a password to get access to the app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button